Hi, and welcome to Cultivate. This video outlines how Cultivate works for an authorised user. Cultivate is a web-based application designed, managed and powered by Wildworks. It helps you to contribute to the collective ambition of your business by maintaining momentum and focus every day. Cultivate helps organisations, leaders and people to continuously evolve. It does this by tracking and supporting the achievement of short, medium and long-term goals. The areas of focus are what your business needs to do collectively over the medium term to progress towards the long-term ambition. Each area of focus is broken down into priorities. Priorities are short-term groups of activity or milestones that can have a specific due date. Cultivate encourages collective as well as individual contribution by allowing you to set personal goals against any of the priorities determined by senior leadership. Unauthorised user permission is given to senior leadership and others who will have admin-type roles. Authorised users can do everything that other users can, plus additional access to certain elements, such as adding new users, creating and editing the ambition, areas of focus and priorities, sending check-in questions and messages, and pre-screening posts. Cultivate is a tool to build agility, engagement and momentum for any business. So let's get started. Chapter 1. How to log in. To begin with, let's find out how to get to the login page. An email has been sent to you providing an introduction about Cultivate and a link to this login page. Your username and password will be located in this email too. Once you have reached the login page, you should right-click and save to favourites, or bookmark the link to ensure you can easily access Cultivate in the future. Click Remember Me and log in. Chapter 2. How to view the dashboard. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. This tab is the heart of the application, where Cultivate allows you or any other user to monitor your organisation's progress. This large graph displays the progress of each area of focus that have been determined by your senior leadership. The colour of each line displays the progress of each area of focus. In this instance, the yellow line is progressing the most. They are advanced by the completion of the priorities within them. Progress of these priorities is determined by how many personal goals have been set and completed. These windows show statistics to provide further insights to how quickly momentum is being built. This visual displays the top 4 performers within your organisation, those who have completed the most personal goals. This is the gamification element of Cultivate and encourages constructive competition. Please note that Wildworks will set up everything you need, including the initial areas of focus, priorities and users. Wildworks will also oversee and help manage Cultivate every step of the way. Chapter 3. How to view, edit and add users. The user section allows you to access all users on Cultivate. This icon allows you to choose whether the user can actively engage on Cultivate. They can be active or inactive. A user may become inactive if they no longer work at your business. This next icon allows you to log in as a particular user in order to do something on their behalf, or troubleshoot. You're also able to edit the basic information about a user. However, the username cannot be changed once set. To create a new user, simply press the button Create. Let's create a user. Once you have saved the details, the user will receive an email with their login details. Chapter 4. How to edit the business. As authorised users, you are able to edit some of the general information about your business. Cultivate have built-in flexibility around the names of certain elements of your business. You can change the labels given to the ambition, areas of focus, priorities, or KPIs. Wildworks will set these up prior to your first use and recommend they are not changed for clarity purposes. This is also where you can decide the maximum number of personal goals that users can set. Chapter 5. How to view and edit the purpose and ambition. This tab acts as a reference point for all users around why the business exists and where it's heading. As authorised users, you can edit or add to these areas. In this example, the purpose is the reason why your business exists. The ambition refers to the tangible goal that your business wants to achieve long term. Chapter 6. How to view, edit and add areas of focus. An area of focus is a lens applied to the business activities over a medium term to help your business move towards its long-term ambition. Below each area of focus is a list of priorities that an authorised user can set up and edit. This is a great way to view the progress that each area of focus is making. To create a new area of focus, simply press the Create button. Let's create an area of focus. Type in a name and a tagline. And now a description. Now select whether it is not started, in progress or completed. You can also add an image or file for reference. And click Save. Chapter 7. How to view, create and edit priorities. The next tab allows you to view, create and edit the priorities set by you and your fellow senior leaders. It also gives the option to get started adding your own personal goals. Click here to view more information about a given priority. Here you can see whether the priority is currently in progress or not, or whether it has been completed. The weighting number displays how critical this priority is against the others within the area of focus. The total weightings given to the priorities within an area of focus should add up to the number of priorities within that area. Cultivate will warn you if the priority weighting is not done correctly. The percentage complete is calculated by how many goals have been set and completed within that priority, or you can manually override the completion status. Let's create a priority. Click Create to get started. Select an area of focus. Choose a priority name. Describe. Choose the due date and the weighting. Now select whether it's not started, in progress, completed or incomplete, and click Save. Chapter 8. How to create a personal goal. The personal goals section is a way for you and other people in your business to contribute to your organisation's long-term ambition. The personal goals section allows individuals to set multiple goals for the priorities of their choice. As an authorised user, you can view other users' personal goals too. Click the Create button to get started. Now select an area of focus to narrow it down, and a priority. Type in a basic description of your personal goal. By when would you like to complete your goal? How will you know when your goal is complete? Now select whether it is not started, in progress or completed. Click Save and you've created your first personal goal. To view all of your personal goals, you can use the areas of focus and priorities drop-downs to narrow down your search. Chapter 9. How to view and assign KPIs. The KPI tab allows you to view and manage a list of all your KPIs. KPIs are included in Cultivate just for reference purposes. Users can assign a relationship between their personal goals and their KPIs, if applicable, so they can be reminded how their goals in Cultivate help them progress their KPIs. Achievement of personal goals has no impact on KPIs. Now you can then assign your KPI to a personal goal. Let's go to the Personal Goals tab. Click Assign KPI, check the box, and click Save. Chapter 10. How to view, manage, and create check-ins. Cultivate allows you to engage with other users, either individuals or groups, using the check-ins section. Check-ins can be in the form of questions or just a message. If check-ins have questions, users are asked to respond. Click here to create a check-in. Let's create a check-in. Fill in a check-in title. Describe your check-in. Now add users within the area of focus. Click Core Product Offer, check the boxes, and click Save. And save again. Wildworks will also send check-ins as appropriate to support progress and understand the emerging business context and content. Chapter 11. How to create and manage latest posts. Cultivate allows you to post relevant and interesting content on a newsfeed between you and your colleagues. The post should be relevant to your business, its people, ambition, areas of focus, or priorities. As authorized users, you'll be asked to pre-screen posts for relevance and appropriateness. You can then approve, reject, or edit a user's post before it goes on to the latest post section. Posts appear from most recent to least recent and can typically display photos, messages, links to articles, and videos for all users to enjoy. Click Create to get started. Type in a post title. Choose the type of post and describe your post. And click Save. To manage a post, simply visit the Manage Post tab. Wildworks will also post interesting or useful information from time to time, and they help you to help yourself kind of way. Chapter 12. How to view reports. The Reports section allows you to observe a rundown of activity on Cultivate, from clicks per post to personal goals completed per user. This section is highly useful to retrieve snapshots of progress towards your organisation's vision. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a greater understanding of the Cultivate digital platform. For any further questions, please contact Wildworks or email us at support@cultivatetool.com.